This is a Guinness World Record holder juggling badminton shuttlecocks. And this is an Olympian doing his signature trick shot.
In this video, we're going to show you every trick shot from level 1 to 100 starting with.
Level 1 is the Kenemoda backhand cross-court net. What we're first going to do is move forward with our left foot if we're right-handed. Our right hand is going to come up and look like we're about to push straight, and all we have to do after is follow through with our momentum.
So level 10 is go between the legs, cross net. So step 1, we're going to move our right foot up, and then we're going to drop our rackets, and then we're going to go out under our legs and do cross nets.
Level 15 is the racket throw net shot. For this shot, what we're going to do is come up to our forehand net, but instead of hitting a regular net shot, we're going to throw our racket backwards, and our handle is going to spin up and hit the shuttlecock over the net. Yeah, okay, that's good.
If you thought those trick shots are cool, then wait until you watch the rest of the video as we reveal trick shots like these and these.
Level 20, forehand net shots followed by left hand smash. Step 1, we're going to do a forehand net, and then I'm going to turn into my left hand, shuffle, and do a drum smash.
Level 25, smash defense between the legs. When someone is smashing at you, you're basically going to put the racket between your legs and move to where the shuttle is going to be.
Level 30 is the Peter Gate forehand cross-court push. So first we're going to pretend either we're hitting a straight push or a straight net, and at the very last moment we're going to drop our wrists and our fingers so that we can hit a cross-court push and then follow through with our body to guide the shot.
Level 35, Peter Gate's backhand trick shots.
Level 40, the Lindan forehand cross-court drive. So you're gonna step forward and pretend to hit the shot straight, and then last second you're gonna pull back and then try and squeeze the racket and drive it cross-court.
Level 45 is Kenemoda backhand cross-court net fake into a double backhand push fake. To do this shot, what we want to do is start in our service position again. Just like our level 1 shot, we're going to come up to our straight push, drop our racket, pretend we're going to hit this cross-court net, but at the very last moment, we're going to swing to this opposite direction, but rotate our racket face to go straight, so it looks like we're hitting that way, but the shot will be going straight.
Level 50 is the cross-court slice net. So first, we're going to get into ready position, receiving position, and then we're going to place our racket here, and then we're going to do an underhand slice cross net.
Level 55 is the Lee Chong-wei backhand reverse slice drop. What we're first going to do is move into our backhand position, so we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, how many steps you need to take, or you can just do 1, 2. In our backhand position, we're going to pull back, lead with our elbow. Now, instead of hitting our racket face flat, we're going to swing that way, inwards, at the same time rotating our wrist and fingers so our shot wraps around the bird and slices outwards.
Level 60, behind the back defense, but with your backhand. For this defensive shot, you're basically swinging and hoping for the best to hit it with your backhand. This usually happens if you're preparing forehand and it goes to the other side, and all you can do is swing.
Level 65, Lee Zijia's backhand jump smash. So step 1, you get into ready position, and then you shuffle back with your left foot forward, shuffle here, and then you do a vertical jump, put your racket up here, and do a backhand jump smash.
Level 70 is a tennis trick shot. So for this trick shot, you're not tricking anyone but yourself, but it's really cool. What we're gonna do is the shot's gonna come over, and then you're gonna let it bounce one time, and then you're gonna hit it over. This is extremely useful when you want to disrespect your opponent.
Level 80, scorpion shot plus jump smash. So you can start off with ready position again, and then you're trying to do a scorpion shot and hit it up, straight, stand up for yourself, and then you do a jump smash.
Level 85 is gonna be cartwheel defense, but since I'm too old to do it, Paul's gonna do it.
Level 90, desperation net shot between the legs. So if you ever get burned on a cross-court net shot, you can run and try and save it, but it's very obvious that you want to hit straight, so then everyone's gonna run in and try and net kill your shot. So instead, you're gonna let the shuttle drop and then try and hit it between your legs to go back cross-court. So here, and then. Oh, don't hit so hard. There you go.
Level 95, juggle with 5 shuttlecocks. Juggle with 1 first. So once you get familiar with 1 shot, you can go start with 2. And then once you reach 100 times, then you can start with 3 shots together. And followed by 4. Oh. And 5. Oh, shit.
Level 100 is the ultimate trick shot, and that's you tricking yourself into believing you can do any of these trick shots.